Hello glowies and welcome back to my channel. If you've ever felt like your hair is too stiff or lacks that effortless vibe, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve those gorgeous, soft waves that are all over Instagram. This super easy, lazy girl curl will have you looking like a Korean beauty in no time, with minimal effort. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Prep and section. First things first, divide the hair into 2 sections. You can tie each section with a rubber band to keep things organized. This step is crucial for avoiding any accidental burns on your scalp or face. Step 2. Curl the ends. Grab a large curling iron or a straightener. We're aiming for big, loose waves here. Start by curling the ends of your hair inward to create a soft C shape. This will give the ends a nice, rounded look. Step 3. Create the outward curl. Next, we're going to work on those beautiful outward curls. Start at the root, and use your curling iron or straightener to curl the hair away from your face. Be gentle as you roll it outwards a few times. Let the curl cool down a bit before moving on. Repeat this process on the other side, making sure to mirror the curl direction for a balanced look. Step 4. Top section and bangs. Now, it's time to focus on the top section and your bangs. Remove the rubber bands and take a small section of hair near your ear. Hold it at the root and curl it diagonally upwards. Hold for about 3 to 5 seconds, then release to reveal a beautiful, subtle wave that frames your face perfectly. Be extra careful with the bangs, no one wants a burnt forehead. Clamp the bangs and slowly pull it backwards. Now use a comb and gently pull them apart to add a few extra volume. Now do the same on the other side. Just curl the hair outwards. This 3-step method is super simple and works beautifully on most face shapes. Add a few cute accessories, and you're all set to head out looking effortlessly chic.